Hello, Michelle Park here with the latest weather update. The wind is blowing very strongly with speeds of up to 5 meters per second. And in the central region, it's about 45 degrees lower than the seasonal average. And this evening, an even stronger wind will hit the peninsula, causing temperatures to drop drastically. And by tomorrow morning, it's going to be freezing across the nation. And the East Coast regions are once again under a dry weather alert, so make sure to put out any embers completely. And for Seoul, you'll need to bundle up tomorrow because it will drop down to minus 11 degrees for Seoul. And, well, Daegu and Busan are looking a little better at minus 6 degrees and minus 5 degrees. Into your day, Seoul remains cold at minus 3 degrees, while Gwangju and Busan mix up both, freezing at 3 and 5 degrees. Thankfully, the cold wave will ease from Thursday, but on Saturday, there is chances of rain or even snow across the nation. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.